tell this boy nice. The outside look nice.
Man, it's about a project.
They got new windows. They got new roof.
And okay, I thought it was.
Well, people still live there though.
And some of them look like half of them boarded up. What you mean?
Well, but you see all them cars though.
Yeah, them stolen cars. Them ones ain't even. That got a flat tire. That one ain't moving. This one ain't even parked in the damn spot right. Nice... So they ain't got no driveway. Oh, no, they gotta go through the.
We just rolled up. You see,
look at that.
Get in the garage.
Look at that cat. He got a different colored tail.
So they gotta come like this.
Right. Who gonna think about this person spending 125? Who gonna want to do that at night next to the projects? Think about it.
It is park in front of the house.
But most people want to go in their driveway. Make sure you lock.
It's a nice house. You don't want to see it.
You can go in there. Oh shit! Oh my god, darn! Ain't nothing even in there. See if the door open. Oh, it's got a screw in there. Oh no, that's the electric car. That ain't it. The key gone.
Somebody want this boy.
Somebody want it. And the bowl and the back is burned out. Oh, you know this house trash. People try to come get it. Yeah, it was wide open. And the box is cut in half, the electrical box. The roof new though. It's got two different bricks. I ain't seen this. What the heck is going on here? And it's splitting.
Love this part.
Oh yeah, you love it? What, the entry? Ugh, I smell gas, big time. You smell it?
Smell something. It's a small room, but it's a room.
Yeah, it's a room. Yes, it is a room. Tiny bathroom.
It is small.
Damn. Oh, they got the tile though.
All these things small. This is weird.
Bro, you don't smell that gas? Oh my god.
Wait a minute, this is really weird.
What? It's that's the upstairs or something?
No, look at this. Like, first of all, look at the framing. Like, this was, they made.
Oh my goodness. They made a door frame.
And it's not no closet.
Hold on. What the hell?
Interesting. Oh,
bro, yeah. I ain't never seen that before. These just put a frame in the middle of nothing and made a room.
Oh yeah, look at this hallway, dog.
That's funny.
You can't even call it a 3-bedroom.
What is it used to be though? Look at this. Man, this is crazy. I can't make this up. Look at this. That's crazy. They just put a door jamb in the middle of nothing. Dog, that's one of your specials right there. Nigga, this a rooming house. It's like a what? A playhouse. A playhouse. It's small? Oh, wow. Yeah, you do look like a giant. Damn. I can't even stand straight up. Only 6 feet.
This would be 2 rooms upstairs on the rooming joint for sure.
Oh, somebody had a baby. Cute fella.
Wow. Maybe.
Man, I wouldn't dare buy this nowhere close to 7.
Awkward, but it's nice. It's just awkward.
Awkward is ugly.
It's just weird.
Awkward means sitting on the market. Look at the crack pipe. Awkward means sitting on the market for 3 months. One new window.
Nice window too.
Nice one too.
This could be like for sure 2 rooms up here on the room.
Yep, put a door right there. Charge $200 for this room.
No. 500.
500. I need your whole SSI check.
For sure.
Let's go see this raggedy basement.
But
This is crazy.
This would be cool.
That door done gave you an idea, huh? Just put a door up.
But I'm saying, what was this though? Like,
It probably, I don't know. That's a good question.
but this should have been a room. No, this was because this. It's just weird how this is like.
The door was right here, bro. They just pushed it back and made this into a bigger room, I guess, because the door was right. I don't know. That's stupid. Oh, watch that fourth step.
Oh.
Damn, why I ain't let you go first? It's the second step. This one.
I wait too much.
Left me. Good thing I got.
That would have been me. It would have been over.
It would have been over. Would have been tours over. Take me. Tours over. Time to go home.
I'm gonna go to St. John's.
Yeah, St. John. Damn, man, my back hurt. I can't be down here, man. I smell gas. It's messing with my equilibrium.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What you counting? Nigga, out of here. This nigga said 8. You see 8 rooms down here, nigga?
I see 8 rooms total.
Damn, I can't believe I should sue. See if I can get $50 or something. This one not bad. Not bad at all. From the outside anyway. The roof decent. Oh wow. Backyard horrible. No, it ain't that bad. It's decent size backyard. Okay. You went to the basement?
No, I'm up here. It's a nice house. I like it. But I appreciate it. It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Like when you see a nice little clean house nowadays, you gotta appreciate. It made me appreciate it because these motherfuckers is
Right.
expensive.
How old is that milk? That milk separated into 3 parts.
I see September. I don't know if it's September this year or last year.
Or the year before. Ooh, this is a nice bed. And crib. They put the baby out too. Dang. Got 2 nice cribs. Damn, she was popping them out. Do the lights work? Lights. Nah, they don't work. Yeah.
I'll let her own this house.
I bet you would. Well, you got your little Everlast weight. You still be working out?
Every 2 weeks. Once every 2 weeks.
Once every 2 weeks? Man, she got baby stuff everywhere. Ooh, them J's is nice. What size is that?
Yeah. It's just in time for Christmas.
Them nice too.
They some good used shoes for sure.
Them tall too.
Those is nice too.
Grab them. Come on. This is us. What we got in here? Bear paw. Let's see. Oh, nothing.
I love this upstairs.
Nothing in there. Smell good though.
These windows.
Yeah, I like this house. I love it. The pine. The good old, what they call it, knotty pine. They got a bear paws. Go on here, grab them for your chick. She got a lot of babies. Tim's. Man, I see why they couldn't pay their rent. They spending it all on shoes.
You know you gotta look good, even if you don't got.
I don't give a damn, nigga. I'm gonna be homeless. I'm
gonna look good.
They gonna look good. You hear
what?
me? I'm gonna be on the street with some
Our
Jordans
Jordans
on.
is just fucked up.
I'm gonna got about 500 in
This
shoes.
was a nice house. Like, I wouldn't wanna leave this boy.
That's half the rent right there.
That's a nice little room.
Mm-hmm.
Oh hell yeah. That shit still here?
Okay then. What do they do though? What is this? Oh, that's cheerleading or something like ballet or whatever. Oh.
First place, stand battle.
Man.
I mean, it's actually nice for 65, but just not for what we trying to do. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? We was begging for houses for like this for 60 at one point, so we didn't never know.
That point's over.
You just have to do it first.
That point's over. Nah, that ain't no more.
Because you have to look at that. Before you got to add up what need to go up here. You ain't got to do shit down here.
No, the base is straight. Just
no
paint.
mechanical, just need a couple paints.
Just paint the floor. All that got to be changed though. But paint the floor the way they got it hooked up. That ain't nothing. I'm just saying it's here. Paint the floor. The walls are straight. Just touch up.
New laundry tub.
Yeah.
Glass block.
Carpet on the steps. The basement, the wall. Let me see if I knock down this wall. Hold on.
You ain't got to knock down that wall. That's a decent kitchen.
This kitchen's small as hell.
Huh?
This kitchen's small as hell.
It's decent. It
don't matter. It can't knock down no wall anyway. Stairway over there.
What are you talking about?
Oh, they got a safe. Somebody took all the rent money. I guess right, yeah. So about 15, yeah, 15 to do it. The windows straight, blinds, paint. If
you're gonna put up all this and put some ceramic on it.
I mean, if you want to get more than 90, you're gonna have to. This shit is trash. They calculate this in an appraisal.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
So you gotta have
on the roof.
Gotta have
So we gotta count it in. I don't know. I just know I like the house.
I like it too. At 55.
You got a garage?
No.
Oh, yeah.
So it's 115. I like it at 55. You got the keys? Whew.
Well, that's good and bad. No garage.
Why would it be good?
It's good for the right price.
I say 150. I offer 50 and then go from there. You feel me? Mm-hmm. This should sell quick. But this is a nice block.
Nice house.
I call him now. Let me call him right now. Hold on, put my seatbelt on.
I mean, I really said 20 plus shit.
I said 15, 20 at the most.
Yeah, so
I wouldn't go more than 50. That's what I'm about to call him, nigga. Call him. But we want to be all in at 50. So what's that, 48? How's it going?
What's up?
Quick question. About the what's this, Riot?
Yeah.
How much room on the house you think?
So look, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. There is a mortgage on this property, so it's not like it's cashed out and you can offer whatever and they can take it. You know what I'm saying? It's they've got to pay off their loan and whatever. So there's probably not much wiggle room, but you know, make an offer, I'll always present it. You know what I'm saying? Here's the thing. I would say, you know, if you make an offer, I will present it. You know what I'm saying?
I just was gonna call and ask for do all that paperwork.
Yeah. But what are you guys thinking of coming in at?
Like 50, cash, no.
Below their mortgage. They probably couldn't even do that. You know.
I wonder.
you have to run the comps. So
Yeah, I think the comps in that area. Do you know offhand or no?
I mean, for me, I've had houses that have appraised right around the corner. Like I have one on Peyton. That just appraised for like 123. But you know, appraisals and resale in Detroit, they're different, you know. So sometimes I like to kind of like benchmark it as an appraisal. If it
Well, yeah,
comes to
I assume 120, but actually, I think I said 110 because there's no garage. But
right.
so I was thinking like 110, 115 at the most. I didn't look it up yet though, but we buying this.
Yeah,
area
I'd say in that range is kind of fair, you know. But obviously, you can check it out and see what you think, you know.
I was thinking a subject to and just pay them something to get out the way, but
They won't do the subject to stuff. We had hundreds of offers like that, you know, like taking over the loan and stuff.
Well, no, I wasn't gonna just take it over. I was gonna pay them also. But you say 54 is what they owe, and they trying to make some money.
I mean, I would assume so, right? But all I can do is, if you give me an offer, I can present it, you know.
All right, let me. What you gonna say?
Is it a short sale?
It's not a short sale, is it?
They have to have.
No.
No. All right. Well, let me talk with my partner about it right quick, and I'll give you a call back.
All right, you got a minute. Thanks.
Yeah.